Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Google Gemini app error 13. So if you are getting this error in Google Gemini app, something went wrong, please try again error 13. Then here follow the steps to solve this error. Now let me tell you that this error is mainly caused due to server issue. Now if you are doing very long conversation, then you might get this error. Then in that case you can start a new chat. A fresh chat usually clears the error immediately. Now if you're uploading a photo or a video or a document and you're getting this error 13, then in that case upload your documents, photos or videos to Google Drive first, and then you can use the Google Drive command in Gemini to select the file. To do so, you can open the Gemini app and then click on this plus icon, and then you can select the drive option. You can see the drive option at the bottom right corner, and then you can upload file. By following this trick, you can easily bypass the upload glitch that causes error 13. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you can wait and refresh. Since it is a server overloaded issue, you can just wait for 10 to 15 minutes and later you can relaunch the Gemini app and then check if your error is fixed or not. Second fix is to, now please take a note, clearing the Gemini app data may clear the Gemini data as well. So you can keep the backup first and then you can perform this fix. So tap and hold the Gemini app icon, then click on app info and then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data and confirm it, then go back, launch the Gemini app and then check if your problem is fixed or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily fix Google Gemini app error. Something went wrong, please try again, error 13. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.